Hello everybody, today we make a shrimp with a fettuccine and spinach. For the ingredients we got spinach, fettuccine, gamberi, this is shrimp, flake hot pepper, garlic, pomodorini, and we gotta use white wine. Okay, now we gotta start with the shrimp first. I got a beautiful pots over here, but first thing we gotta put oil. Okay, now we leave warm up a little bit, not too much, because you cook the oil, it's too hot, you burn the garlic right away. And for this dish I use a lot of garlic. And let's put the garlic first now. When the garlic started to bubble a little bit, you put the shrimp right away, because you leave it stay too long the garlic become black. Okay, now it's all ready for the shrimp. I put the shrimp everything at one time, and we start fix the shrimp separate one by one like this. Look how beautiful shrimp. This is a nice size the shrimp. Okay, now we turn the shrimp at the other side. Make sure to not cook the shrimp too much. And we do 1 minute each side. You cook too much the shrimp, they become too dry. You want the shrimp to be nice, crunchy, and juicy. Now everybody maybe say, Pasquale, but not cook enough. Yeah, because this after you gotta cook a tomato with the tomato, and you cook a little bit more. Now the shrimp, you say to me, you want a little wine. Let's put a wine. I got a little more here. The shrimp enjoy like wine. Yeah, I like wine too anyway. The wine, it gives a really good flavor. Really, really good. Now we leave evaporate the wine. And look at the shrimp, how nice it looking. I got the water over here, and we need the salt. And make sure to cook the pasta with a lot of water. It's time we take the shrimp out. Yeah, put the shrimp, go the gas low. And we take everything out. Yeah, I got a little paper towel over here. The dry, the clean, okay, you know one, not happen on the stove. We need oil. Got more garlic over here, and we scrape all like this. Now we got my tomato. This is from my garden. There's so many tomatoes I got this year. Look at that. Okay. We load the gas. Do not boil too much. Cause this tomato already I was boiled with a hot water boil. And I take the skin out for the tomato. You know, got no skin. Look, it's all tomato. Maybe a lot of people want to see the way I do. I want somebody say yes or no. And like this, next time we do the video, they show the little tomato that take the skin out. Okay, now it's the time of the fettuccine. Now this fettuccine make it with the eggs. Who make the eggs? Now I want to know, so everybody know who make the eggs. I said the rabbit, chicken. We gotta cook now the fettuccine. And make sure to cook with a lot of water. This we call a nido di rondine. Nido di rondine. Okay, now I got a flake of the pepper. Somebody was go to the store and say, you have a oye baby? The guy at the store, what's oye baby? It's the hot pepper, Italian long hot pepper. And look at this. Huh? It's oye baby. Okay, now we gotta do the spinach. The spinach, we do a little bit at a time. Okay, gotta go nice and easy. I put this ball right over here. I put the ball over here, over there. Make sure the gas is off over there. Yeah, it's off over there. All done. And we put this bottle right over here. Look how beautiful. Oh, the nido di rondine. I was eating in Italy, in Orsara. Boy, how many. And we put a little bit more spinach. Okay, now, you see the spinach? It was so many, and now, look at that. Everything look good. And now it's a time I put a salt. This, it's a sea salt I use. A little black pepper. Okay. Make sure to keep a little water for the pasta, because maybe you need it. Okay, now everything look good. The shrimp, it go back over here. All right, and now we give a nice turn. Okay, now it's a time to drain the pasta. But before I drain, already I was keep a little water, because maybe you need it. Okay? And let's drain the pasta. It's a time when we put it together with the shrimp. Okay, and we give a nice turn it together, everything. Like I said, so I need more little water. I got the water for the pasta. Oh, look how beautiful. Look at that. Oh, nice. Okay, let's do my dish. Okay, the shrimp, boy, look how beautiful shrimp I got over here. And I got over here wine. And let's test my fettuccine. Oh. Look at the shrimp. The shrimp look like big like a lobster tail. Nice, crunchy. And with a little wine, it's so good. Make this dish and let me know it come out really good. If you make it the same way I did, it come out delicious. Chin chin, salute everybody. And thank you so much. Everybody look my video. And we'll see next time. Chin chin, salute. Thank you.